Hi everyone, it's Joanna Burton here, and I'm going to cook, guys, adobong salmon or adobong salmon in Bisaya or Cebuano. Adobong salmon or adobong salmon. So anyway, I have this head part, guys, of the salmon, okay? And so the ingredients are, so you need to have ginger cut in thin slices, cloves, I think 4 cloves of garlic, and I have about 4 leaves of dried laurel, and onions. I only have white onions. You can use red onions, it's also good. So anyway, so that is the other ingredients, and so we're going to make a sauce for our adobong salmon. So I don't have the white vinegar, so I'm just gonna use what I have. So I'm just using the apple cider. So since I think I have quite a lot of heads over there, so I'm just gonna put 100 ml of the vinegar. So this is 100 ml of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. And then I have about 50 ml of soy sauce. Okay. And then I have about same thing, 50 ml of oyster sauce. So you just mix everything. And okay, so if you have a fish sauce, you can use that too, but I think it's too salty for my mother. But anyway, this is also salty, so and I don't have fish sauce anyway, so I'm just using basically what I have, guys. And I'm gonna add the paprika. So paprika is very good, guys. You know, paprika just come from, you know, the bell peppers, so that one. And then so I'm just gonna, like, you know, just put enough, maybe 1 teaspoon of this. Okay. And then I want my sauce to be a little spicy, so I have a chili powder, and you can use the green one, the fresh one, and also you can use the chili flakes, but I don't have my chili flakes right now, so I'm just using this one, the chili powder, just a little bit. Okay, and you can add salt. And I need one more. Okay, so here's my black pepper. Oops, why did I open this? Okay, so that should be enough. Okay, so just basically mix everything. You know, this is going to be your sauce. Okay, guys, so after this we can start, you know, cooking. Everything is, you know, mixed. Okay, guys, so we're gonna heat our pan here, and I'm gonna add oil. So I'm just gonna use vegetable oil, or you can use butter. Okay, but I'm just gonna use this. Okay. Okay, guys, so first you saute the onions. Oops. Okay, guys, then add the 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, guys, now the ginger. So, okay, guys, so just allow the onions to caramelize, you know. And just give time for the ginger also and the garlic to release its aroma. Okay guys, and then okay guys, so now we can add our sauce. So this is our sauce. You know what I forgot guys? Sugar. I'm gonna add brown sugar. Okay. More. And then I'm gonna add the laurel. Okay, we have to get the sugar guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add the sugar. I'm adding brown sugar. And just let it melt. And then we're gonna add water. So I'm just adding for now 1 cup of water. And then we'll bring it to a boil guys. So I'm gonna cover this. Okay guys, so I'm going to submerge the fish. So just make sure that everything is, you know, coated with the sauce of the adobo. Or the mixture. Or the sauce. Yeah, the sauce. Okay. So I'm just gonna bring it to a boil guys. And then let's see. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna check our salmon adobo. Okay, so it's looking good guys, but I want the water to evaporate. So, or to reduce the water. So I'm gonna cook it more and just put it in a low medium heat. Okay. Alright guys. Just gonna, so it will evaporate faster. Okay guys. Okay guys, so our salmon adobong salmon is already cooked, and then the water is, or the sauce is also reduced the way I wanted it. And so I'm gonna put it in a transfer it to the serving plate. Okay guys, so this is the adobong salmon or salmon. Naturally guys, the head of the salmon is, you know, there's a lot of fat content to that, and that's why if you observe the sauce is kind of like oily. It's actually the natural oil of the salmon or the salmon. So that's why I want the juice to reduce. Okay, and yep. But it's definitely, you know, the head, you can still find some meat in there. Yeah. Oops. So here it is, guys. And I just cook everything because this salmon is still last week. So I just want to cook it. So tomorrow I don't have to cook. And this is the baked one. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching.